Hi, welcome back to our garage. I'm Angel. Thanks for watching. Today we're going to be installing some hood struts for our carbon fiber hood that we have for our TC. Thanks to Alan for sending them over. We will have a link in the description below so you can check out their parts store. Let's get them on. Okay guys, so we have discovered that the piece that was supplied and the bolt that was supplied do not fit together. So we're gonna have to go drill out just a little bit right here so we can get this installed. We'll be back.
Pop it. You gotta pop that thing on there.
Like that?
Yeah, put your pin right in there in the top.
Alright guys, we got it on. Probably about a total of a 15-minute install. Not too bad. Where'd my instructions go? Well, we followed the instructions. They're pretty basic because it's pretty easy. Only a couple parts, a couple bolts, and they were on. So we will put a link down below. Bye!
Thank you for watching our video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Have a good day!